Termites are eusocial insects that are classified at the taxonomic rank of infraorder Isoptera. Recent phylogenetic studies indicates that they evolved from cockroaches. These insects are often called white ants. They are not ants and are not closely related to ants. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, cohort Polyneoptera, superorder Diptera, order Blattodea, infraorder Isoptera. Soldiers have red color heads and workers have pale color heads. Like ants and some bees and wasps, from the separate order Hymenoptera, termites divide as workers and soldiers that are usually sterile. All colonies have fertile males called kings and one or more fertile females called queens. Termites mostly feed on dead plant material and cellulose, generally in the form of wood, leaf litter, soil, or animal dung. Termites are major detrivores, particularly in the subtropical and tropical regions. Their recycling of wood and plant material is of considerable ecological importance. Termites are among the most successful groups of insects on Earth, colonizing most land masses except Antarctica. Their colonies range in size from 200 individuals to enormous societies with several million individuals. Termite bees have the longest non-lifespan of any insect, with some has evolutionary numbers up to 20 to 50 years. Each individual termite goes through an intrinsic metamorphosis that proceeds through its new and adult stages. Several hundred species are economically significant as pests. As early as 1934, suggestions were made that they were closely related to wood-eating cockroaches. As of 2013 year, about 3,106 living and fossil termite species are recognized, classified in 12 families. Termite elites only leave the colony when a nuptial flight takes place. Termites are detrivores, consuming dead plants at any level of decomposition. One termite species alone, Bototermis mosaicus, was found in the stomach contents of 65 birds and 19 mammals. Among all predators, ants are the greatest enemy to termites. Most termites are blind, so communication primarily occurs through chemical, mechanical, and pheromonal cues. Termites rely on alarm communication to defend a colony. Rhizophila gardneri is the only orchid known to be pollinated by termites. Termite found in Queensland, Australia.